Thiefman wey comot from Gata for that side from Budawan run as we tori enter we ear they don pick am and na after we dey shoot him one bullet for on top of foot inside tori 2 we go take una go for place wey dey call am say Bepanda Tone na for inside Douala here wey some 11-year-old pikin dey meet up wey don hang wetin be really pass inside this palava we go talk for na inside tori 2 for this afternoon. Na so two people dem two for that side. So for Musaka na village for under Tiko subdivision dey beg make Grat and go say na big man for Ochi dem e try for look inside palava for chief for Musaka wey sote today they never give am commandeer official for say make e dey do work after wey people dem vote am. Chapter says for corona we go tell una as we country dey happen, but for now as una sabi we never hear any other case apart from the one they will don sabi for morning time. Sabi say minister for sick people dem Dr. Malauda Malashi he says he be meet up with the tori people dem with Ngomna Tokman Emmanuel Rene Sadi he be there for inside Yawinde. Yesterday we get case for people there they don't lost and we get even newspaper them where we go talk am or we go talk as we then say they write this afternoon. Big part talk in the tell we say Motapiso e no go ever fit for rest so tey if you need pound the cocoa wey dey for inside mortar e soft. Yes, say Motapiso e no fit ever rest if e never fit for pound cocoa for inside mortar so tey e soft. Big part talk for this afternoon e comot na for root e dey sidon for that side. So for Boya na in that we dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad again. So we don't join head for this side for part 2 for Tori. How country the waka? West region. Now we go start Tori. Inside Mbuda for West region. Now for the way they cash some padiman we don't jump come out for prison. As we Tori enter we hear this padiman he talks in some water where the lookout Ngata na he give the number 2 key for the door where they lucky for inside where he jump come out. But Balok be meet up inside quarter where padiman go shidon. Now for the way they so some person to see him near them to the camp he want run they put a bullet for one of the food them where he be one run come out. As so we hear this padiman he get a 12 year for shidon from Ngata but he be one run come out before own time. He say na person says way he be putty for the Ngata na way he help with the thing way they call him say a number 2 key inside Mbuda. Just now we man for that side for Buda they calling Raphael Cheko. He be talk with one person for quarter way they catch this thief man.
We therefore do quarter will be very organized. Now one of boy from Akpat where go tap in Mimbo. You see the one see where guard prisonnier there. When they work at the fine, I come back for it down. The one pass we see you again wear a red trouser. They said no na man where they fan am. I see so they call him, then come then take you. As she done for my daughter and bring it. And we there for the pattern, we get win now one more. Now, president of committee de vigilance this will be organized.
Yes, na part that for the quarter way the catch that man we run come off from Gata. As so here the catch the man put out from Gata for Sika Palava Mbanga and the thief man he be blame say na the water he give the number 2 key before he be fit open then he jump come out for that side from Gata from Buda. We go surely turn back on top that chapter when we meet up now. One of it wrong Tori 2 it then for inside Douala here for Bepanda Tone where some kind of funny thing it happen for inside that quarter where they call am say Bepanda Tone. For Sika say we no fit for Shona the pikin die body. Now for inside this compound for that side for Bepanda Tone where some 11-year pikin they come meet up and where the pikin it don't hang for inside house. As so we say we enter we no be fit for take una enter for inside the room. But na the room that where that door blind dey where they hang the pikin. As we Tori enter we hear they talk say na the pikin they talk for a papa and a mommy, say make they put it chain for food. For sick I say eat the overworker. Nothing that will hear no be na say na the pikin he talk for we the pikin don't die. But the time when they put chain for that pikin food, papa come out, he go his own work, mommy come out, he go his own side. They want turn back for house, where pikin, he don't hang in neck, so te the pikin, he don't die. So, it be then a big question where they go, they ask question, say, how small pikin, he go man talk for papa, and mommy say, make una pull me for chain. And papa and mommy too, they tie the pikin for chain, they leave it for house, then they come out. Now, make we enter for near them office, for that side for Bepanda. Now for inside Douala here, we go to right for near them office for Bepanda. Now for them will go meet up the mommy and the papa for that pikin, where they follow thing where pikin he talk, say may he chain them, he chain the pikin foot, he chain them. Big man for inside Bepanda side self, he don't talk say that they make investigate. But make we try for left big man small, make we see waiting way it happen. They cannot chain them where they take put that pikin and they chain that and the rope where they cut them now chain that way papa where you go born pikin. You men pikin so tey dey 11 years. Ya pikin go tell you say chain me for sika say I dey overworker. You say you carry plenty chain them. I mean no be na di kind of small chain o. See chain. Wanna see chain? Now chain that way they use and chain pikin for 11 years. Then they even put lock on top. You understand? And the papa and mommy they claim say na pikin talk for them say make them put the chain. Now they finish put pikin chain come out. They want come back. Pikin don't hang. He don't die. So who killed this pikin? Now the thing that way people they never feel for understand. Now papa die for pikin. Now mama die for pikin. Now mommy that way carry pikin for belle for 9 months. Then they use chain. Pikin talks on a chain me. Or they chain her. Then they come out go. Well, investigate. It happen on top that palaver. Now for inside Bepanda with that one, it pass. We go take una just now. We enter for different palaver. We take una go for place where they call them say Tico. And for that side for Tico, na notable them. Now chinda them for chief place for that side, so for inside of Musaka. Musaka na some village where they for Tico side. These people they provoke. They say since where they put them chief for that side for Musaka, chief he no fit do no work, he no fit do no nothing. For Sika say big commandeer he never come out for up like for SDA office for talk say alele continue with your work. Now where this notable says help, you fit call them or chinda them. They go meet up DO for that side, so for Tico for talk say just now chief where people them for Musaka village they don't put it on top chair. He no fit do no work. We want talk for chief say why he no dey do work. They say so today. Order from SDO way the show say na he be chief, he never so enter for a hand. So just now, they no sabi whether some magu it dey happen. For sake say SDO, Seseb and DO, it be waka come, they can make talk with the people them. So they last vote, then they put the chief on top chair. But just now, they never fit for understand wetin wey dey happen. So they try for back to say make Gratango when I be minister for all the chief them. Inside we country, make e follow up this palaver for Sika say people them for Musaka. They say even development, you know the fee for come for day, as well the chief he never get authorized from governor where he be get forever get them. Make we hear just now, wait till one of the notable he talk for we for that side so for Tico.
How about 4 years ago, where we don't make our choice. We don't choose Mr. Daniel Makunde, the chief officer. But now, I said that chance, two people be there where they be fight, not keep them. Mr. Dipoko, Mbola, Jacques, and Mr. Daniel Dipoko. We are chosen don't go for Mr. Daniel Dipoko. Government they reach for village, the SDO, to make us stop, and we pass it for vote. How to be Daniel Makunde Dipoko don't win. Now we will reconnect their chief. So Timo will talk now. With the bet plenty, say the government they'll be transparent for all that. The people don't understand say we go now more than 4 years. When we don't make your choice, chief never get the administrative decision. So with the bet plenty, say Mr. Minister Tanganji, he cry for we Mr. people because we need your chief. We don't already make your choice for chief. Now Chief Makunde Dipoko Daniel, he do your chief. Not be the Poko, because we never make choice for it. So we beg government plenty. Mostly at Tanganji. See when you look about all that suffer when Msaka people they suffer. Because all of it they go, but all we remain because we never get chief we get a decision and set.
Yes, now the people themselves for Musakawe they the X, maybe SDO for Fako, again for Check Sense, DO2, and the big man self for all chief Gratango for that side, so for inside Yawinde. Sabi say Bishop Michael Bibi, we say the job put it like person go look out Boya diocese, he don't start Iwaka for church them way he dey under a lookout and Ilan for that side, so for inside place where they call them say Malende for church. Now for they we meet up with some people them for Malende na village where they for that side, so for Muyoka for people that they know Sabi Bishop Michael Bibi wanna Sabi say time way be there. Auxiliary for Bamendam, it be the one of that bishop that will be the tonton for all places will be the kene whether popcorn they happen or they happen. If they ever go for go meet up from Malende, bishop he come out to land for that side, so for Muyenge says it don't be now one of the places where plenty people that they use of fear for go for take as a popcorn. It they holla anytime and for inside them na just waka where Bishop Michael Bibi he make am for sabi the people them where he go the look at them and for talk for them may they so continue for the tie their heart and for prayer say make all the thing them where it happen make a last pass. Sabi say bishop he glad in number 3 year for inside this work like bishop in number 3 year for that side for Mutengene Sunday way pass better so na sabi e be dey na palava for Bishop Michael Bibi for Tonton and for sabi people the way they dey under it. Sabi say when bishop waka and when they come for a talk for a papa ele yayato he too he get for shake skin. Make we turn back for Muyenge. Yes, now Bishop Michael Bibi inside Muyenge. People there they know Sabi Muyenge too. Muyenge na village under Moyoka subdivision for Fako division. Now for a southwest. We go left that palava. Make we open with chapter just now for this sequel. The join hand for fight with all people them na corona and Sabi Seb say Ngomna Togman Emmanuel Rene Sadi minister for sick people them. We they call him say Dr. Malauda Malashi. All them they be they for outside on top this palava for sensitize people them palava for this sick and Sabi say inside this talk with the talk they say 284 cases a day for Douala where they try for make investigate on top their skin 271 for Yawinde where they make investigate on top their skin and they tell we say for Douala instead for 9 where they be fed day they don't go now so for 12 cases them for inside Douala here but they don't talk out of the 75 sick people that they be get 69 they fine 2 they already well 1 e dey way e dey so if you don't die as a minister for sick people them e talk for people them for that side and just so sabi so for on top this palava for corona they talk this medicine way they call them say chloroquine now one of the thing where they talk say if he help for this sick way they call them say corona but just now as we wanna sabi they try for talk say if you want take the chloroquine even if now waiting no take the chloroquine way doctor he never look your skin then he talk say take am so you way the take am for fear say you go catch am no be na so go meet your doctor make they check your skin now when they don't finish check your skin before they go check whether you get or you no get then the fit talk say make you take that chloroquine yesterday and even this Santa Ma talk for now palava way DO for Boya it don't lock Bine people them place for night will be turn for inside Boya side there for try for see whether some people the day with the go so remain from head but before 6 o'clock as will be turn for inside Boya for night we see am say plenty Bine people them they already lock their place now just for sika say they so all man a like na open eye if they know for make open eye then maybe you know for surely see say Bine people that will also continue for open but after we DO Bello, he lock place them for class quarters. Boya, he quiet. You know the meter no man say for outside. All people them, they dinner for inside house. For sick as a place there they didn't young. You know they place where the fish don't serve get some more air. You know they all man, he don't lock now for inside house. Now for night, we will be tonton inside Boya. Now they face that for Boya for night. Just now, as we say we see him. For that side where they call them say Kumba, country people them, Governor Ufitok, city mayor, me are the calling a big mayor for Kumba, Victor Nkelengo, ISSF Bidena for outside them, Eno Shidon for inside the office, for say make people then can't talk, say they never. Now ISSF, he go for big market for that side for Kumba, for try for see, as well he go sensitize people them for inside Kumba. He talk for them, when person one can buy for your business place, make he wash hand before he touch anything, and USSF, you get for the wash hand 1 hour, and ISSF, it take time, the give that white man white thing, when they call them say sanitizer, for say make people they wash your hand. He don't talk say big market, he no go to take again, plenty people them, 75 people them, he go take them. From there, he waka go for park, for Boya Road Park, as well as Sabi, after we come up for market, and as Sabi say a big market ISSF now it be happen yesterday, he be go to for a park for Boya Road, for go meet up a driver them for that side, so for Boya Road Park, for inside the park, he talk for park people then say now for inside this place, as soon as see and with the motor they turn up, now for they will all thing it go to happen. So the agency no go talk say na my own side is, the one no talk say na my own side is, now palava for them say make all them they try for understand say sick it dey now, and all man he must to turn up for here. And Victor Nkelengo, big mayor for Kumba, it be take time for put water to for people them hand, for tell them say time it don't be critical. Make we hear way to way Victor Nkelengo, he talk for market and for park. We don't join all them on here.
The market, you know, go the flop the way they flop now. We go develop a method where we go get at most 75 people them at a go, they enter market for can do their business, come out, we regularize them with another 75, just like that. So the crowd where they for here over plenty. People they want come for you, come buy something from you, they go first, you go take soap to give them, to wash their hands, and then that time they fit discuss with you. You know, so you be sure say they know how carry that virus, bring out for your shit. From tomorrow, we go send our boys the way they can mark out the places so that people that do something will be constructive. I want to tell you now, anyone will violate this program will get them, it means say that person he won't die. So make una take una time, adjust yourself for here. Una not say this one now una back. And people know here say Mondial, Golden, they get their own parks there. For now, everything is done here in this park.
Yeah, driver themselves they already start for give their own complaint, their own worry for on top talk with Victor Nkelengo talk for that side so for Kumba. After we waka go for park tomorrow, we go waka visit driver them today. Una go here with the worry them for inside Kumba. And just now, Sabi say ambassador for France inside country, Christophe Guilou, also see him for a Twitter. He don't talk say big people them for Cameroon just now. They don't give authorize say make 2 special aeroplane them when Air France, they fit do it in, they carry people them where they want go back for France, for take them go back for France. Now the thing that where Christophe Guilou, he don't just talk, so now special authorized where he don't come up from governor, say may they carry people them when France country people them where they want turn back for their country, may they go back. So Oga Christophe Guilou, he go tell you more. A small time. Now Sabi Seb say National Assembly, this also happen. Someone honorable inside National Assembly, they call it say Honorable Nuran Foster. He says he been an honorable for a Cabral Libi party. He don't talk say just now for Sika say National Assembly. You know the social respect. This palava say make them over she don't corner people them. He no go day for as we walk. He go continue for inside National Assembly today. According to way Honorable Nuran Foster he talk, and he don't send it to right for Dr. Malauda Malashi and even Prime Minister office for Sabi say National Assembly people that is also she don't tight even as well they don't talk say may they divide, may they open space so that all man if it stay away from person. So he don't talk, he no go day for inside National Assembly today. And for Senegal, Macky Sall when a president for that side, he says he don't talk, say Africa and all man for the world, he suffer for sika this palaver for corona. So just now, he try for beg, say that thing, don't worry people, they have been there too plenty. He beg say all the country then where they outside Africa, where they sabi say some African country they owe them. Say may they show sorry heart for Africa, say may they try for cancel all the money then where Africa don't owe them for them. For sika this palaver for corona, where it don't come for inside Africa, where it worry all people them inside the country. Oga Emmanuel Macron, he talk, say he go congratulate, and he goes also congratulate where doctor them, where they fight for this palaver for sick, for corona, for place where they call them say France, and for sick other one, it's a special dash. It go be for all these doctor them, where they fight for sick this sick, but he said that one, now after where they must to don't fight all the sick, then so they come out for inside France, that one a correct talk, where Emmanuel Macron says, he don't talk for that side, so for France. And just for sabi, this sick, he know the left no man, whether it be who or he know be some person, the sick, he go catch you. So now for we for look out. Queen Elisa too, he look out himself, not too much. He see Queen Elisa now, when he wear orange clothes, now orange to something where he take over his face. When he wear something where one get that kind of green color, the way he cover his nose, now with the same thing. So Queen Elisa says, he too, he cover his nose. So now for na two for member, so na get for cover on a nose them, on a get for washing a hand, on a no get for salute people them, on a get for turn far away from people them, no call for corner person, any kind of way. But as well Queen Elisa they cover his nose, sabi say Prince Charles, as we Tory enter with EM, 71-year-old, we na SSG for Shidon, on top that chair after, according to it, Tory House for Donald Trump, he can't talk. They don't taste it, and he too, he get that sick. According to it, the Tory House for that side, so for inside Donald Trump, a country talk him. So now the condition that now so una see him for inside country. But just now, Amos, maybe you go hello with before we come out for newspaper for show the condition where the thing there for inside Africa after yesterday. Now yesterday round up where they make them how that sick where they call them say corona. It dey for inside Africa. They don't divide Africa. The different section, Southern, East, Central Africa, West, how the thing it did, the condition for this corona sick for inside Africa. Maybe we'll show that photo where they show with that condition for that sick. But just so sabi, say place them like West Africa, now some of the place them say way that thing in over there they plenty. But anyhow, if must no one show, we will surely turn back for another day. We'll surely talk as we the thing that they go. Make we take on enter just now for newspaper them with the day for we before this afternoon country people them inside newspaper they detail we one of the strong number for the Guardian Post na say wetin any man we know here the commander with Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he don't give am for palava thing wey they want and say me they do say me this sick he come out sabi say nangata he di weti na for the way go she down for some time for sick I say he be strong hate on top talk with the damn Ngomna too he talk say just now they don't spend 4 million on top the case for corona the way they don't get them for inside country as we the Guardian Post he talk am for we order to read them the day for inside the Guardian Post we you fit for read them today the Post weekender he tell we palava for coronavirus time from Ngomna for use cane on a time from Ngomna for the talk big question with the Guardian or the Post weekender he ask am this morning afternoon just for sabi too say plenty rain wey fall for Boya the Post weekender they tell we it cause confusion chakada people them cargo them for inside Boya. People then today is also cry, die for Manu Dibango. Municipal updates, it tell we say it is so. Palava Commission way Nkunkuma sign book for say waiting, make the follow up, say all two way they talk for national man to man talk, he enter for action. They say na better waka when Nkunkuma don't make them. You go read where people the way they meet up and talk with them, they talk on top this chapter. Now so today they tell we palava for make you know throw hate, make you know the careless, tonton. Now some of the idea them that commander where Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he don't give for say me the fight corona. Ntum foni kohale peace crusader too. He the prayer for say me this corona he come out for we country. Order to read them you go read them for day. Horizon where they for outside today he the ask na big question whether if this palava sick we cover again it is sick, he go make am, they no go vote permanent people them where they go sit down for local work for inside National Assembly. For social chapter for National Assembly, you go read way Honorable Gerard Ngala, he get for talk, Palava he come in for inside National Assembly. We get 2 cases for people there they don't lose. Make we start with this O2 first. We'll start with O2. We wanna see name na O2 Martin. We na Mami Esomba Margaret. He announce say this is Pikin. He don't lose. And when you see the photo, you go understand say na Pikin we hate. He not turn fine. He don't come out for house. So Mami he beg any man we don't see this Pikin. Number we see for before tele. 650-850-680-605-846 number where you fit for user for call for talk say you don't see the Pikin. Another case it did for we before this other Pikin where he lost na right for that side. So for Limbe we just enter we Nkem Zeroberto Alberto Eno na the Pikin he named that he lost for that side for Limbe. So Oga Nkemneto Valerie Epe it beg any person where you don't see this Pikin where they call am saying Kem Zeroberto Alberto Eno make you call the tiny number the way they for before tele 650-101-253-698-12-530 for people the way they don't see the Pikin for help them find this Pikin. Now, to read that, we'll see them for this afternoon. Before we come out, we want just talk, say happy birthday for you. Colette Bemeri Sakwe, where it is done for that side, so for Idi now. 1 year again for you today, Colette. Happy birthday for you. Thank you plenty. Amos Fongo, Malis, and even Zeph Ngondi, where they making them for happen. We go turn back if Papa got the help. Friday, on a whole tight.